if you are looking for a really comfortable pair of slippers, you're going to want to check these out. These are for men and women. So I got a size 13 to 14. For women, that is going to be a 15 to 16. They come in all sorts of different colors and really, really nice. You got on the inside here, we got velvet on the inside, which is really, really nice. This is a close-up look. We got a nice little buckle over here, which is nice. And then on the bottom here, we got these as non-slip, so you don't have to worry about slipping or anything like that. Sometimes you don't really have a good slip. These are easy. You could even run out to the mailbox in these because it has that nice little hard rubber non-slipness right over there. Really like these a lot. I'm gonna go put them on, and you can see exactly what they look like on me. This is what the slippers look like on. These are super, super comfortable. I will say they are true to size. So I'm a size 13. That's the size I got, and they are perfect. Again, super, super comfortable. That's what they kind of look like in a pair of lounge pants. You can wear these obviously with pajamas or whatever you like. If you're looking for a really comfortable pair of slippers that fit true to size, look really nice, and are super comfortable, definitely check these out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending these over so I could do this review.